Okay, so I just wanted to do a quick demo of the different ways that you can view and manage PRs inside of the Aid desktop app. So as you can see over here, I have this chat inside of the Aid desktop app, and it's the only chat inside of this lane. There are a couple ways I can view the PR for this. The easiest way is I can go into the chat tab right here and hit this PR button over here. And you can see I have a PR open right now, and I can click open in Aid, which is going to take me to the Aid PRs tab, and it's going to take me directly to the PR. So you can see I have a whole view for this PR. Right here, I can see all the comments as I would see it on GitHub. I can click over here and go to a specific commit. When it's ready down here, I can merge it or close the pull request, all the different options that you have inside of GitHub. I can go to the files tab here to see the different changes. We have this nice little diff view here in the CI checks. You can see all the different checks that are currently running. And then if I go back to the overview tab, I have more options here, such as on the right, I can launch an Aid review. Aid has its own built-in review engine similar to CodeRabbit or Greptile or Macroscope or other tools like that. And you can use your existing subscriptions. If you already pay for Codex or Claude or Cursor and you want to use composer models to do an in-depth review, you can set that over here, and then it'll automatically post the review comments to the PR as you do with other tools. And then right here, I also have the option to leave comments, whatever I want to do. This works exactly like GitHub, but everything is just in one spot, so it's easier. Nowadays, I just manage all of my PRs directly from the desktop app, and I don't even go to GitHub. But if I wanted to, I could hit this GitHub button over here, and this will open the PR directly in GitHub. So you can see this is the same PR in GitHub, and it's just linked and synced up directly to this page right here. And then going back over here, I can toggle this PR panel, and this works for any single chat. This one doesn't have a PR open yet, so I could hit create pull request and it would open a PR if I wanted to. So let's do that real quick. So to demo this, I could do it directly from this little panel here, or I can do open in PRs tab, and this takes me to the full in-depth detailed view. Right now it's saying I have uncommitted changes, so we should fix that first. So I'm going to go over here. There's two ways I could commit the changes from the desktop app. One is I could go to the lanes tab, and I could go to this lane right here, and I can see the Git actions panel here on the right. So I have 7 unstaged changes, right? I could stage all of these and then hit commit, or I could do it directly from the chat. So same thing over here. You can see I have my 7 unstaged changes. I'm going to stage all of them. And then I'm just going to leave a quick message like updating landing page mobile risks, and then I'm going to hit commit. And then I'm going to hit push. And down here, you'll see that my most recent commit is now on remote as well. So now that everything is committed, I can go to this little menu here, a single PR from this lane into main. I want it to be a merge PR, and then I'm going to hit next step. And then I can add details here if I want. I don't want to open it as a draft, so I'm going to hit create PR. So now that the PR is opened, I can click view here, which will take me to GitHub, or I can click done. And you can see this PR is now made, and the checks have started running, and everything is just as you would see it on GitHub. And if I go back to this chat here and I open up the PRs panel, you can see it now says open, checks are running. I can hit open in Aid, it'll take me back to the PR here, or I can hit open in GitHub, and it will take me to the GitHub page for the PR.